The first thing that you do when you are using polynomial long division is you want to make sure that every single polynomial involved has every exponent represented. As I noticed, 25 has an x to the third. I must also have an x to the second, x to the first, and x to the 0. In my divisor, I have 5x to the first and an x to the 0, so I'm good. I can start setting it up. So I have 25x to the third plus 5x squared minus 7x plus 15 divided by 5x minus 3. The goal in polynomial long division is to get as much divided out of this divisor, or dividend, as the dividend as possible. So I'm going to divide out 5x minus 3. The first term is 5x. The first term of the dividend is 25x to the third. What do I multiply 5x by to get 25x to the third? Well, you multiply by 5x squared. So I take that 5x squared and I multiply by my divisor, 5x minus 3. I'm going to distribute this through. That will give me 25x to the third minus 15x squared. Okay, spaceship, shuttle it in, and I get 25x to the third minus 15x squared. In long division, you subtract. Your goal is to get these two first terms to be the same. They are, so they cancel. And you have 5 minus minus, which is plus, 5 plus 15x squared, which is 20x squared. And then bring down the remaining terms. Okay, now I say, well, what do I multiply 5x by to get 20x squared? Well, you multiply by positive 4x. Notice how I'm lining all the x squareds up, the x's up, and so forth. So I have 4x, and I multiply by that divisor, which is 5x minus 3. I will distribute this through, and I'll get 20x squared minus 12x. Spaceship, shuttle it in. And I get 20x squared minus 12x. Because I'm in long division, I'm going to be subtracting. I get 20x squared minus 20x squared. They're the same, so they cancel. Negative 7x minus minus is plus. Negative 7 plus 12 is going to give me positive 5x and bring down the last term. Okay, what do I multiply 5x by to get 5x? Well, you multiply by the number 1. So I take the 1, multiply by the divisor, which when you multiply anything by the number 1, you just get itself. So that's just going to simply equal 5x minus 3. Spaceship, shuttle it in. 5x minus 3. Long division means you will subtract. 5x and 5x are the same. They cancel. 15 minus minus is plus. 3 is going to give me a positive 18. That means my remainder is 18. So the result will be 5x squared plus 4x plus 1, which is what I got up here. That's called the quotient, and a remainder of 18. You could also write it 5x squared plus 4x plus 1, and my remainder is positive, so plus 18 over my divisor, because what a remainder means is you have 18 left over out of the 5x minus 3. So there is your answer.